My name is Naika and I stand with Haitian TPS holders. Haitians living in the United States under TPS are our doctors, our teachers. They are hardworking taxpayers that have been contributing to their communities for so many years. They deserve safety and protection from family separation and deportation. Please extend and redesignate TPS for Haitians living in the United States. United States.
My name is Shane Montprenier. I'm a Haitian American and I do stand with Haitian TPS holders.
My name is Kalila Joy. Haitian TPS holders are our teachers, doctors, caretakers, taxi drivers, farm workers, and hard-working taxpayers. They deserve the safety and protection from family separation and deportation. Please, extend and redesignate TPS for Haitians living in the U.S.